Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome back again. Today we will be discussing about hydro power system or hydroelectricity. Uh, it's the electricity which is generated by falling water, and for this we have to build the hydropower plants to generate the hydroelectricity. Here is the systematic diagram of hydro power plant. What this hydro plant system do is it captures the potential energy of the stored water. Okay, the water is firstly stored at a height, and the kinetic energy of the falling water is to generate electricity. Uh, Here the water is stored, and then it is allowed to fall from here, and this stored water, it has got the potential energy, and when it is released abruptly, this potential energy will convert into the kinetic energy. Okay, into the kinetic energy. And the water from the dam with the storage potential energy falls on the turbines. Okay, this will fall on the turbines here. This is a turbine here, and when this falling water falls on this turbine, this turbine will rotate. Okay, it will rotate. And then this turbine is connected to a generator by shafts. Okay, आपने वो shafts देखे होंगे, and ये turbine जो है ये इस generator से connect किया हुआ होता है by shafts के ज़रिए से. That means this mechanical energy here, this is the mechanical energy. And जब turbine rotate करता है, so the kinetic, firstly the potential energy gets converted into kinetic energy, and then this kinetic energy gets converted into mechanical energy when this turbine moves. इस जब ये turbine move करता है, this means that this is mechanical energy. When something moves, and that is mechanical energy. And ये जो टर्बाइन है ये इस जनरेटर से कनेक्ट किया हुआ होता है बाय शाफ्ट्स, एंड इस टर्बाइन की घूमने की वजह से ये जनरेटर भी जो है स्टार्ट हो जाता है. जनरेटर भी जो है इसके जो ब्लेड्स हैं वो भी चलने लगते हैं. दिस मीन्स दैट ये जनरेटर भी. Then this mechanical energy from the turbine gets converted into electrical energy. Okay, electrical energy. So यहाँ से ट्रांसफार्मर्स के ज़रिए ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पहुँचाई जाती है घरों में या इंडस्ट्रीज में वगैरह. There are basically four major components in this hydroelectric power system. First one is dam. Okay, this is the dam here. Dam. What it do is it raises the water level of the river. Okay, it raises the water level of the river to create falling water. So the reservoir that is formed is the stored potential energy here, and this is stored potential energy actually. And then second one is turbine. This is the second component. This is turbine here. The force of falling water causes the turbine to rotate. This is the second component. And third one is here generator. This is the generator. It is connected to the turbine by shafts. Okay, and hence when the turbine spins, when the turbine here spins, it causes the generator to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. And Fourth one is transmission lines. These are transmission lines. Okay, the transmission lines. They conduct electricity from a hydropower plant to homes, industries, and factories. And due to unavailability of waterfalls everywhere, dam needs to be constructed to collect water in reservoirs to be released later. And it's a renewable source of energy. And one quarter, that means 1/4 of our energy requirement in India is met by hydropower plants. So let me talk about something, its advantages of hydel energy. The advantages are that the water used for generating electricity is available free of cost. ये फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट अवेलेबल है, वाटर हमें खरीदना नहीं पड़ता है. And second one is once the dam is constructed, electricity can be produced at a concentrate. Okay, डैम एक बार बन गया, फिर उसके बाद हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को कॉन्सेंट्रेट पे प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. And this dam also provides water for irrigation purposes. But there are also problems associated with the construction of big dams. For example, the dams can be constructed only in the limited area, limited regions. Okay, because there should be a feasible environment or feasible these regions or feasible land for which we construct the dams. And we construct these dams preferably hilly terrains or hilly regions. The second problem associated with is construction of dams has resulted in problems like excessive sedimentation and salinity, waterlogging, floods, soil erosion, large-scale deformation, displacement of local communities, and loss of lives of tribal communities. And also building of large dams can cause serious geological damage. For example, the building of Hoover Dam in the USA. Okay, Hoover Dam is a dam which is in USA that triggered a number of earthquakes and has depressed the Earth's surface at its location.